No, no, it's a pen. I'm going to show it. It's the pen, whatever you call it. It works on the same structure. It is exactly. Oh, you brought the whole bag. Okay, let me see it. Thanks very much. Let me see if we can find it. I had it in my hand. Strange enough. Can you check this? Oh, there it is. This is the pen. This is the size of the pen you will see, which will be done with the tip closed. This will be is manufactured in a beautiful way, and the shape of the power unit and the pen and everything which the Keshe Foundation supplies will be the same. And manufacturers have decided to be white, the sign of purity, because the knowledge is pure and plasma is clean. You decide what to do with it. So you see for the first time the pen will be released in this format. The manufacturers have gone for production of 1 million units to be released by the end of October. It will cover all the necessary applications of it. But if you understand with this pen, it's exactly what happens with this position. At this point, you're creating a strength of magnetic field. If this strength of magnetic field in your body is of a specific disease, because the pen produces and releases a spectrum of the plasma, it will match into it in any shape or form. So what happened? Your pen, that's what it does. And here, when there is an unbalance between the gravitational and magnetic field in respect to its environment, it connects with the system inside and it transfers the energy, so the balance is release of pain to you. Because pain is plasmatic, pain is current flow at the electron vibration, as you call it, but as we call it, is different strength plasmatic condition in the gaseous state of the matter in the body of the man. Remember one thing, then you understand how the transfer of field is done. In the new system, when you receive and the operation of all your plasma systems, you have missed a very vital point. Some of you must have seen it, some of you understand it,